Hey there, welcome to Ningning Mandarin, the Chinese with stories. 大家好，我是宁宁。Well, with the Chinese Valentine's Day coming, the Qixi Festival, today I'm going to show you a Chinese love letter that I spotted on the Chinese social media. This love letter is written by a boy to a girl. For most Chinese people, this love letter is more hilarious than romantic. So I'm quite curious, what do you think? For you to fully understand this love letter, you will need to know one Chinese word. That is 痴. 痴 means obsessed or mad. So for example, we have 白痴 means idiot. 路痴 means road wanderer. And 情痴 means a lovesick person. Chinese short story for listening practice. Are you ready? Now listen carefully. If you get stuck, turn on English captions. 在遇到你之前，我是白痴。在遇到你之后，我变成了情痴。上班找不到路，回家看不到门。天晴的时候，我想你；下雨的时候，我想你；白天的时候，我想你；晚上的时候，我还是想你。别人说我是路痴，却不知道我其实是心痴。爱你是痴，被你爱也是痴。
美丽的姑娘，请接受我的痴心一片。
你真幽默，我考虑一下。Wish everybody a very happy Chinese Valentine's Day. 七夕快乐 Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you enjoy my content and would like to support my creation, please consider to be my patron.